Hey guys, it's Amy with Aim to Plan, and I am now flipping through some of my stuff for the Spring 2021 release. So what we're starting off with is obviously a planner. This is the one planner that I'm picking up from the Spring 2021 release, and so let's just get into it. This is the Let Go and Grow planner. I did get this at Michael's. It is an 18-month planner that's vertical, so it runs from July 2021 until December 2022. And I've already taken up off the packaging from the front and the back, but I have not removed it from the inside. So you obviously saw the cover right there. The cover is gorgeous. It's the reason why I purchased this planner, even though really I don't need another planner. But I just have to have these covers. It's just so gorgeous. And so this is the front portion of the planner. It says this happy planner belongs to, and it says 2122, and it has just like a beautiful, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like kind of a speckled background that's not exactly white. It's kind of like a beigey color, and it has this peachy floral right there. So pretty. And then obviously it has the year at a glance pages for 2021 and 2022. And then it jumps into, I'm assuming, the like this kind of like yearly calendar that we have. And so this runs, since it's 18 months, normally they will give you 18 months all the way from July till December of 2022. And so that is correct. And then the very first currently page. So this is really cute. It's like very blank. I like that just because I can do whatever I want with it. So this one says, obviously it says July 2021. And then this section says note to self. And it's just a little box. And then important notes and dates, which is just a big box with some of the holidays down here. And then just a large dot grid section that says take note. That is super, super functional. And I really love that. So the first divider here is July. I want daisies in my hair, peace in my heart, and love in my soul. And again, I just love this line art. So this is just so pretty to me. And then we get into the very first monthly spread. And so again, it says July 2021. 2021 is written out, so that's super cute. And then this is no shading in the weekends, which I love that. There is color down by the discs, which is okay for me in the monthly just because I rarely use monthlies anyway, but this is really cute. It's nice and blank. It's fairly neutral. I think that's perfect. So then let's get into the weekly pages. Oh my gosh, this is so perfect, right? Like it is pretty neutral in terms of like not having any designs down the middle down here. The lines are super thin, and there is color. Like this is kind of like a tan color. It says June, July, that runs across here. But otherwise, it's like a pretty clean slate. And I feel like you can definitely work with the tan. Tan is a much more neutral color. And it can blend in with a lot of other colors a lot better than I feel like pink and blue and some of the other colors that they kind of use as like a neutral palette in some other planners. So I love this. This is beautiful. Okay, and then we get to the next one. Now this is pink, so this for me would be a little bit more difficult to blend into like a like a spread, but still I love this color. I still think this is fairly neutral, and I just love it. Okay, and same kind of setup here, and then this divider says always radiate love, and I'll flip through this one just so you can see that it does change color. So here it's, instead of the tan, it's more of that light pink color, and then it's light pink across here. So I'm assuming the colors are going to alternate like that throughout the planner. So we've gone through tan, we've gone through this kind of light pink, coral pink, blush pink, whatever you call it. And then here we get into like a gray or black even. And so again, same kind of setup here. The September divider says bloom with grace. This is beautiful, kind of rose gold foiling. I love that. Right, and then it's kind of like a dark gray, black there, and dark gray numbers. All right, so I'm trying to flip through enough of it so that way we get back to repeating. And so here we are starting to repeat the color. So now we're back to the tan. And so at this point, I'll flip through the first couple of pages just so you can see it, just in case there is some difference, but I think it will be mostly the same, right? So here, no rain, no flowers, tan, same color there. November divider says love. All right, and these two colors to me do not go together, but you know, it is something I can deal with for, you know, a currently page. And then again, the pink, the blush, right? December here, again, I don't feel like those colors go together. Like the entire planner goes together, but these colors facing each other don't really go together. And I don't know if you can see this, but these are like super white. It's like blush, and then it has like white line art on it. That's so cute. So beautiful. Okay, then January, where flowers bloom, so does hope, by Lady Bird Johnson. And again, that kind of like rose gold foiling. I love this one. This is super cute. Okay, and then February, Find the Joy. This is cute. I love that divider. Okay, and again, the kind of blush color. March is Bloom. Again, I just love the artwork here. This is just so gorgeous. I've loved every divider so far. Okay, and again, that's one of the 3 colors that they've been alternating. This is the quote on the cover, Let Go and Grow. This one also has rose gold foiling. So pretty. Okay. And then May, Enjoy the Little Moments, with like a wreath design. It's in that coral color. So it's really dark gray, tan, this coral blush color as like the dominant colors, which is so gorgeous. I love it, right? This one says Full of Gratitude and has a little line art floral there. And again, one of the 3 colors. This one is just no quotes, just a beautiful like full design of the line art there. That's gorgeous. And then August, a full quote. It says, let us live like flowers, wild and beautiful and drenched in sun. That's a beautiful quote. I love that. Okay. Then again, like same colors here. All right. And then this cover is so cute. I love this one. My favorite so far. All right. Wow. This planner is just gorgeous. Okay. It's a perfect day to start. It's the October divider here. That's so pretty. Dreams are for chasing. And again, I just love the aesthetic of this planner. It is just so beautiful. So beautiful. I love it. Right. And then this one is repeated. Like we had one that was like kind of coral. This one's the black and white version. I feel like we had something very similar earlier. I can't remember which month, but there was one. All right. I feel like this is perfect for December because, you know, the dark gray is just so neutral and it's perfect for like any kind of designs that you want to put in terms of holidays and seasonal kind of spreads. All right. And then the very last page is this notes page, which, ooh, I would just want like a whole pack of this because this is really cute. It has notes and it's like this pattern, this color here, and has lines on this side and then dot grid on this side. And that is just so cute, right? The back cover looks like this and it says Plan a Happy Life right here in the corner. And then here is the final back cover. Super cute. Okay, I really love this planner. All right, again, I found this at Michael's. I will in the description put the SKU number and all the information that I have and a link to Michael's where you can find this for yourself. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you did. Subscribe to my channel to see future spring 2021 releases. And until the next video, bye guys.